we're going to configure each one of our pumpers now in the Growlink mobile app. So navigate to the settings menu, tap on configure modules, tap the digital outputs 16+4. This corresponds to the outputs on the right-hand side of the Connect controller. So we're going to tap on device 1 because that's our first pump that we wired up to output 1. And we're simply going to name this based on the fertigation build sheet that's provided with your skid. Pump sizes and the names of the nutrients are going to vary based on the nutrient line that you decide to use. So be sure to refer to that sheet that's developed specifically for your nutrient kit. I'm going to label this pump as balance because in our system here, that's what it's going to be injecting. And it's helpful to put a label after the name to say exactly what the pump model is and the dial position that it's at. So that's why I've written P1 at 6, because that's a P1 pump at dial position 6. Next, we're going to select the device type, which will be dosing pump inline. Once you select that, you'll have a few other options, a few more settings to set now. For the H. Anderson pump head, we'll tap that and select P1 from the available list, and then select a dial position of 6. That will automatically calculate a max gallon per hour. No need to change this value. And then you can also select a solution type if you decide to use our pH targeting algorithm. For this, because balance is typically used as a pH up solution, I'm going to select pH up and save that. I'll do one more pump as an example. So the next pump is pump number 2, which is connected to output number 2. So we'll delete the stock name, and we're going to write in, let's see, this is going to be grow. And this is an H4 pump running at dial position 7. Again, select dosing pump inline, select the pump head model, the dial position stated on your build sheet, and you can select a solution type as nutrient and save. There we go. And then just complete that for the remainder of your pumps that are in your system.